Either I wanted this or this for. So I'm super happy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2024. So in today's video, I will be unboxing this big baby right here. So ये मिराजियो का डब्बा मेरे पास कब से पड़ा है and without unboxing on camera, I am not willing to use it. So it's a high time कि I unbox it now itself in today's video. So we will do that quickly. So before jumping into the video, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing first, I wanted a Miragio bag जो कि मेरे bucket list में था for quite a long time now, and finally I got hands on one. Although it's a gift and I'm very grateful for, but this is indeed one of my favorite Miragio bag, and I'm happy and I really love this bag so much. And when I will be unboxing it now, you will see how beautiful the bag is. And indeed, I wanted a Miragio bag. I shortlisted also. I wanted either this or this for reference. But ultimately, I was like, when I'm getting a Miragio bag, I want it in my favorite color itself. Why to go on the dark side? Let's have it on the lighter side. And I got hands on the very beautiful bag, and that too in my favorite color. So I'm super happy. Now let's unbox it. Although मैंने थोड़ा बहुत तो obviously देख लिया है because I was so excited. So yeah, let me do it again on camera. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit clumsy, but never mind. Okay, so this is how the packaging look like. We will quickly open it now. Ta-da! This is not the bag. Here it is. We have inside this dust bag right here. So it does come with a dust bag, which is like I'm grateful for because of the color also. This is so light color that you will see right now. So I'm very scared as well. Okay, now let me quickly show it to you. I'm so happy. I'm so excited and happy. Every time मैं खुद देखती हूँ, मैं खुद प्यार में पड़ जाती हूँ उस बैग का. So are you ready? It's gonna be super amazing one, and also very helpful for that matter. So here we go. Wow, I love this bag. I just love this bag. Every detailing of it is so amazing. Okay, so this is how the bag look like. Now let me show you from inside as well as different detailing of it, how it looks. So it's a very nice, this is the bag name, I actually don't remember, but I love how the satchel like look it got. It's just perfect for me. And also perfect sizing bhi ho jata hai, that I like the most. And let's talk about the color of this one. It's a kind of cream to beigeish, because you can see this is a white wall I have at my background pe jo bhi hai, and this is a little bit creamier version of the white. You can see not beige also, but yeah, in between kuch to color hai. And I love how the detailing of this combination, the cream it got along with the brown handles it got. I mean, I love it. Also, let me show you how nicely detailing it has got. So you can see just इधर Miragio का branding भी किया गया है. Also Miragio branding been done. No, not here. This you have just like the Aldo ones. I have also seen the Aldo bag, and finally I Loved this one, so got this as in gift. I know, I'm very much thankful for, but yeah, this is how it look like, and very classy one. You know, I thought कि मैंने जैसे बोला ये और ये बैग में से मैं बहुत ही I was like which one to choose. I almost did a IG poll also कि मैं तो ले रही हूँ, but as soon as I watched this on their side, I was like, no, if I'm getting one, let me get the favorite color of mine, and finally got this. And inside also you will see this is something like that. It does not have any chain or as such, but मुझे कोई भी problem नहीं है. I do not carry this kind of bag often, so I will be carrying on special occasion itself, so that does not mean. And also it's functional. ऐसा नहीं कि functional नहीं है, very much functional. And I will get this kind of case right here for my bag, just to organize it well. मैं हर बैग में ऐसी करती हूँ. Okay, so if I open it from here, ऐसे you can open it, and let me show you. Okay, अंदर से ये कुछ ऐसे दिखता है. You get long form of this handle as well to make it a cross body, so ये भी मिलता है. Anyway, you can use this bag so in a form of cross body also, और तुम इसको ऐसे भी carry कर सकते हो. So it comes very handy. It is also in the same color it has, and under you get this pockets. One we got here is just simple without a chain, and another we got proper chain here. I just love this one. Yeah, here it goes. This is how it look like, and अंदर भी proper branding किया गया है Miragio का, if you can see. So this is how my first Miragio bag look like. Indeed, I'm a huge fan of this brand, and I wanted, ये मेरा bucket list में था. In case you haven't seen my bucket list वाला video, which was the very first video of Vlogmas, you have seen that I got in a Miragio bag. हालांकि ये unboxing वाला video was scheduled for November itself, but late हो गया. But late than never. So yeah, this is how my bag look like, and I'm super happy. Now this bag cost me all the pricing and everything, and if you want to get hands on the Miragio's link also of this particular bag, you will be getting in the description box below. Also Miragio पे बहुत अच्छा सेल भी चल रहा है. In case if you want to get hands on, do mind it checking out. मैं हैंडल डाल दूंगी नीचे. मैं ये कितना दिन से एंटिसिपेट कर रही थी, मैं करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे आप सबको दिखाना था. So I just love it. Also it got this detailing. ये तो मुझे detailing चाहिए था. Also I shortlisted one H&M bag also, which is this black color. मुझे लगा था कि if I'm not getting a Miragio bag, I will take this bag because this my friend also has this bag and it's very functional. But yeah, ultimately I choose this one, and this studs were one of the criteria of me getting hands on that H&M bag, and also the same thing I got here. So I'm very happy. एंड ये बहुत ही लग्जरी लगता है ऐसे स्टड्स जब होते हैं. सो फ्रंट साइड से ये ऐसा दिखता है, एंड बैक साइड इट्स नथिंग, इट्स प्लेन सिंपल वाइट, एंड नीचे इट गॉट दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्टड. सो व्हेन यू रेस्ट द बैग इट डज नॉट टचेस द ग्राउंड, एंड ऑल्सो बीइंग इट्स वाइट, इट्स मैंडेट फॉर मी टू लुक इनटू दोस स्मॉल डिटेलिंग. ऑल्सो दिस वन आई लव इट. जस्ट sometimes in older bags they comes in branding करके आता है. So yeah, and I have the Miragio branding on it. I love it. Okay, so that was pretty much of it. I hope you like this unboxing. मैं नीचे Miragio के website and every details of this in link back के मैं डाल दूँगी. Do check out. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up. And I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.